Uh-oh. Look who just flew in. Grandma Lucy was trying to have a snooze. And Jessie just decided to go for a little fly and landed on Grandma Lucy's basket. Oh, Jessie, what have you done? What have you done, Jessie? Oops, can't leave it there. Can you turn around so we can see you? Turn. Oop! There goes Grandma Lucy. There went Grandma Lucy. Poor Lucy. And there goes the bird. There goes the bird. What are you doing down there? You fall down? You visit Timmy? Oh, Timmy? He says, oh, not the bird. I hate the bird. I hate that bird. Lucy's not very happy. You come visit Suze? You come over and visit Susie? Oop, turn you this way. Oops. Turn you that way. Here's Suze. What is this? Why is this bird bothering me? Poor Lucy. Poor Lucy got shoved out of her little basket like a bird. Nobody likes a bird. Alright, Jessie, I don't think you're very welcome here. Want to sit up there? Sit up there? There you go. You do your exercises up there. Yeah, you do your exercises. Yes. Stupid kitties. They don't know. They don't know I'm a good bird. Okay. Let's see. I hate that bird. I hate that bird. Uh-oh. Lucy. Here comes Lucy. Go back to her chair again. You try again, Lucy? What are you doing? What are you doing? You crazy bird? Doing his exercises on the bicycle. What happens if I move it? There we go. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. There's a bike that, it's stuck. Hang on. It's one of those bikes that you not only use your pedaling, but it has the arms on it too. Yay, Jessie! Yay, Jessie scared all the kitties. Stupid kitties.